Okay guys, we are continuing from where I ended last time about measuring ignition coil ohms and resistance. So I was supposed to do the video about 10 minutes, but my storage was full, so it ended up there, and I want to continue from where it ended so that you can get it more insight and better understanding as a mechanic, as a technician, as a technical person who want to pursue and understand how to use these ohms as well. So this is what we are going to do. I have my multimeter here, and over here you can see okay, you can see the multimeter. We have ohm signal here. This is the positive terminal, and then we have com here. So we have indicated that these ohms are required to max 1000 volts. So I have my terminal here and I plug it. This is the positive terminal, and then the com is the negative terminal. So after that, I also have my 3-pin coil here, which I will show you. You can see it inside there. So this is it. So I have to turn my multimeter to on position, which is 20K. And one thing, the reason why it started 1 is that the multimeter reading started 1, and it's a digital multimeter. So some multimeters started from 0. That is why you can see the reading starting from 0, but they are all the same once there is a reading. So we have digital multimeter and we have light power multimeter. This is auto power multimeter. So it's full digital. So 1 and 0, they are all the same. So let me test my multimeter. If there is a reading, always you have to do that. Okay, so you can see it's a reading, and this is the ohms. Every ohm started from 2 options. Okay, so we have 15 ohms and 0.3 ohms. Now this socket, as you can see, the first pin is what? The positive terminal. The second pin is the primary secondary wire, and the third pin is the negative wire. So ohms section, and then the black wire is the negative, which always indicates the com section. So the max voltage is 1000 times per second when the engine is on the run. So I have turned my multimeter to on position and it's working. So the ohmic resistance is 0.19. Okay, so you see there's a continuity. So we have terminal 1 here, we have terminal 2, we have terminal 3. This terminal is the voltage terminal, which is the ohms terminal, and then this is the primary ignition wire, and then the negative wire as well. So if you want to figure out, if you want to know the measuring of the resistance, you have to use the primary wire and then the negative wire, which will give you the real resistance or the ohmic resistance reading. So for me, let me check this one first. So I check this one first. There is no reading. So I check the ohms and the com too. There is no reading. It's misfiring sometimes, so it's not working at all, depending on the type of coil you are using. So don't be confused why these ones are not reading or why these ones are not reading. So what you do is to check here. Make sure you hit the terminal hard so that you can get grounding, and you can see the ohmic resistance is 0.94. Then that means there is a continuity. Okay, when the coil is weak, sometimes it will give you 1 point something, and it depends on the timing of the multimeter. If you switch it quickly, and as soon as you switch it, you can able to figure out and testing, it may give you this 1.00. Still, it's a good idea, good answer, good, what you call it, persuasion that we want. Once it started from 1.0 or 0. something, there is a continuity. So the ohms started from two options. We have 15.0 ohms and then 0.3 ohms, depending on the type of coil you use, whether it's for V8 or inline straight engine. So as you can see, this is how we test ohmic resistance. So if you check these ones, there is no reading. If you check these ones,